Here are the numerous health benefits of including beetroot in your diet. Due to beetroot-rich nutritional profile, you should consider adding beetroot to your meals because of the following reasons. 1. Rich in nutrients. Beetroot is low in calories but packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins like vitamin C and folate, and minerals such as potassium, manganese, and iron. 2. Boosts heart health. Beetroots are high in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This helps relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. Enhances exercise performance. The nitrates in beetroot may improve endurance and stamina by enhancing oxygen usage in the muscles. 4. Supports liver function. Beetroot contains antioxidants like betaine, which supports liver detoxification and helps cleanse the liver of harmful toxins. 5. Improves digestive health. With its high fiber content, beetroot aids digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and maintaining gut health. 6. Rich in antioxidants. Beetroot contains betalains, powerful antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 7. Helps with brain health. The nitrates in beetroot may improve blood flow to the brain, supporting cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 8. Regulates blood sugar. Beetroots have a low glycemic index and are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Adding beetroot to your diet can be as simple as blending it into smoothies, roasting it, adding it to salads, or drinking beetroot juice. Remember that taking beetroot once every week is good for your well-being. Love from Cecilia World.